You want to make money online, but every time you search how, it feels like everyone's trying to sell you something first, right? Well, in 2025, it's finally possible to build real income streams online with zero upfront investment. Hey there, it's Gene from Online Biz Breakthrough, where we turn ideas into income and help you build a digital business from scratch. In this video, I'm sharing 10 proven legit ways to make money online without spending a dime. Methods that actually work this year. So grab your notebook and let's dive straight in. First up, affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to start. You promote someone else's product and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. You don't need to create a product, hold stock, or handle support. Just find products that solve real problems and share them through your content, blogs, YouTube, or even social media. Start with free platforms like ClickBank, Digistore24, or PartnerStack. Focus on helping first, selling second, and your income will grow naturally. Next, digital products. Create it once, sell it forever. Ebooks, templates, or simple online guides all can bring you passive income. You can make them using Canva, ChatGPT, or Notion, then sell on Gumroad or Payhip. Here's the key: solve one specific problem. If your audience struggles with focus, create a mindset shift journal. If they're new to business, sell a beginner's launch planner. Simple, valuable, and fully digital. Third, YouTube monetization. You don't even need to show your face. Create videos using stock clips, AI voiceovers, and storytelling. Teach, review tools, or share motivational content, like I do here on Online Biz Breakthrough. Monetize with ads, affiliate links, or sponsors once your channel grows. Your only investment? Consistency. Fourth, freelancing. If you have skills like writing, editing, or design, you can earn right now. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork let you create a free profile and start offering services today. You can even start by helping local entrepreneurs with marketing or social media. Zero investment, just your time and expertise. Number 5, AI content creation. In 2025, this is exploding. Use tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or 11 Labs to create blog posts, social captions, or even full ebooks for yourself or for clients. You can sell AI prompt packs, templates, or short-form scripts for businesses. Low effort, high reward, especially if you package it smartly. Sixth, consulting or coaching. If you've already learned something valuable, even at a beginner level, you can teach it to others just one step behind you. Offer 1.1 coaching calls on Zoom, group sessions, or paid Q&As. Use free tools like Calendly and Stripe to get started. Remember, you don't need to be an expert, just experienced. Seventh, blogging. Start a free blog, write valuable content, and optimize for SEO. You can earn through affiliate links, display ads, or digital products. Yes, it takes time, but it becomes a long-term asset that works 24/7. Each article you write today can earn for years to come. Eighth, social media automation. Build faceless theme pages around your niche. Motivation, marketing tips, or business quotes. Use tools like Canva and Metricool to post automatically. Monetize through affiliate links, shoutouts, or selling digital products. Start with consistency, not perfection. Ninth, print on demand. Design t-shirts, mugs, or notebooks, and sell them on Redbubble or Etsy. You don't handle printing or shipping. When someone buys, the platform does everything. You just collect profit. Bonus tip: create branded merch for your followers once your audience grows. And number 10, online courses or workshops. You can start small. Record short lessons with Loom or Zoom and upload to Teachable or Podia. Teach what you know best, even if it's just how to start affiliate marketing step by step. Courses turn your knowledge into recurring income, a key to hitting that 10K month mark. Here's the truth: you don't need money to start, you need momentum. Start with one method, learn, test, and stay consistent. Then stack multiple income streams. That's how you build a real online business in 2025. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more step-by-step strategies to grow your online business. And if you're serious about building your first income stream, grab my free guide, Mindset Shift Journal for Aspiring Entrepreneurs. The link is in the description. This year, don't just scroll for opportunities, build one. I'm Gene, and this is Online Biz Breakthrough, helping you turn ideas into income, one step at a time.